Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at this 15-litre mini fridge from Kealive. I think it's pronounced like that. It's a thermoelectric cooler and warmer which can be used indoors or even in the car. It's not only good for food and drinks, you could also keep your skincare products in it. This is very kindly sent to me by the manufacturer. Link in the description box below. Let's take a closer look. Before we do that, remember, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. The mini fridge is made out of plastic. It does have a handle at the top, as you can see there. It's got two hinges there. Look at the back first. So that's for air outlet, and them two are for air outlet as well. So make sure you don't block them. If you put it against a wall or anything, don't push it right back. It's got a sticker there. Then AC power and DC power, as I mentioned before, you can also use it in your car. Some indicator lights there, hot or cold. It keeps the food hot at 65 Celsius and it'll cool the food between 5 to 8 Celsius. And it is recommended to use pre-chilled foods. But if you do put foods in from room temperature, it will take around 2 to 3 hours to cool them down. It has two modes, an eco mode or a max mode. Show you the bottom. Again, that's all plastic. A little latch there. Pull on that and it opens. Warranty card. I think you get 12 months on this. Yeah, that's standard, isn't it? Instruction manual. Thermoelectric cooler and warmer. An energy rating sticker. This is an A++, but that A++ is if you use it at the eco mode, which is 36 decibels, which is really quiet actually, 15 litres. They say it will hold 21 cans at 330 millilitres. The wiring in there, that's for the car cigarette lighter if you want to use it in the car, and that's the mains plug. Little shelf there in the door to hold your drinks, and it's got one shelf there which is removable. That's what it looks like from inside. Here's a decent size. I forgot to mention the price. At the time of recording, it's available for just under £80, and they've got some coupons on as well. Okay, let's power it on and I'll put some drinks in and some chocolate. That's how it shuts. It is secure, that. If you do walk around with it when you're going out and about, it won't fall out, the food or anything. It's secure. So let's turn it on before I put my food and drinks in. Let's go for the cold. I'll put on the eco first so you can have a listen. I've got my microphone on. So it's on me, but you should be able to pick the sound up. But at the moment, I really can't hear much. It's really low. So if you want to put this in your bedroom, you won't have a problem. If you leave it on the eco mode, you won't have a problem with the sound. It's got a decent sized cable as well. It's got a clear little plastic part there so you can see through. Yep, not much sound at all. Okay, let's turn it to max. That's loud. If you can pick that up, yeah, the green light there, so it's letting us know it's in the cold one. If I put it on the hot, it'll go to red, obviously. Oh, that's loud. The fan's kicking in there. If you were to put it like that, yeah, that's loud. That, so that will be a problem if you keep it in your bedroom and you have it on the max mode. But the eco mode is better anyway because it's a lot quieter and it'll take up less electric. Let's leave it on eco mode. I've got two cans here. If I put them in, I don't need to take the shelf out. I could close that. Could even put some chocolate in. It's a nice fit. However, if I were to get a bottle, this is 500 milliliters. If I put that in, it won't close because of course the shelf is in the way. But it's only one shelf, so if I remove that, I'll get a lot more room anyway. So if I take the shelf out, let me take the chocolate out first. I have a 1.5 litre bottle here. That would fit in nicely. I have a 4-pint gallon of milk here. That would fit in as well. And of course I could get 2 little drinks in as well. Will it close? Yes, it will. I'm really impressed by the room. Actually, I tell you what you can do, you can put some chocolate on the side as well. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just point the camera there. Yeah. That little door. It's got enough chocolate in there. It closes. That isn't bad at all. I mean, this fridge is, of course, for putting in your bedroom, or when you go traveling, you could take it with you. Like we're going to use it when we go to the beach. Put our pre-chilled drinks in. We've actually been using this. My son's been using it in his bedroom now for a few weeks. He's really happy with it. But again, he's using it in eco mode, and he does put pre-chilled drinks in. Link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.